Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana, we come here to the situation that we are currently retesting previous support and previous resistance. So we had this $37 level, I think it was 37.10, yeah, to be very specific, and we are currently retesting that, as you can see, and it might already be broken when you watch the video. So this is here, the previous swing low here was highly relevant, then we had here support, and we have now support again, here we had resistance. It is a very important level, and we did get above that here a couple of days ago. It was starting to look quite bullish, in fact, but I told you that this 50-day moving average will be highly relevant and expect a lot of resistance here, and this is exactly what we can see. The 50-day moving average is relevant, otherwise you would not see this reaction to the 50-day moving average. And yeah, we had a resistance zone here all the way up to $40. We did not manage to break it. You can see how exact we actually touched that $40 level, but since we have dropped, we recovered again, and now we are dropping, and you might see that 37.10 level broken actually when you watch the video. There are a few possibilities how this could turn out now, and first possibility is, but this is looking weak at the moment, you have to say to you, because we are reacting sort of in a bearish way to the 50-day moving average. First possibility is still that this wave 2 is over. Wave 2 is over, and we are already in this wave 3, which would follow next. Don't think I have it on the chart actually. That would be the next wave up, but I always told you best evidence that wave 2 is over you will get if we move above $40. Now, we've never moved above $40 here, not here recently, and therefore we had no evidence that wave 2 was over, and therefore we have to assume wave 2 might get a bit extended, might get a bit longer, and that all of this is just here an A, a B, and we're now coming down in the wave C, where we might go below the low of the wave A, which means we might go below here that 36.50 level of the wave A. Now, we can calculate tonight, if this is the case, and it's not confirmed yet, it would only be confirmed as soon as we break here this swing low here at 36.50. But we can calculate a target for that wave C, and for that we take, first of all, first target would be the same length of the wave A, yeah, and that would be 35.72. That's the first target. Second target would be 33.50. These two levels here would be the target levels, because that is the 33.50 level is the 1.618 extension, and the 35.72 level is the 1-to-1 ratio. These are both valid and viable targets for a wave C in the current situation. We can look at it also from the other perspective, which is looking at just the length of this wave 1 and looking at the retracement in a wave 2. Now you can see that we reached here really only the 38.2% fib level, which is very short for a wave 2. It's possible, but it's very short. So another, ideal level for that would normally be the 50% fib retracement at 35.45, or the 61.8, or even the 78.6% fib level. But ideally, I wouldn't want it to retrace that much. Ideally, the higher the better, the more bullish. So here, these are all valid options. Let's put them into the, just in case we drop here below this 36.50 level, I'll put this on the chart for you now, these targets. I think this is valid, yeah, for a wave 2 here. Between what I measured, the extensions for wave C, basically between these two, because the Fibonacci levels, the retracement levels I just talked about, the 50% and the 61.8, so basically 35.45 and 34.36 lie in the middle of this green area. This would be a reversal point for the wave 2, in my opinion, if we drop below 36.50. And if we drop below 36.50, it's basically evidence that wave 2 wasn't finished. So the more bullish view, but I'm actually leaning here at the moment more towards the bearish one, because there isn't much happening. Well, there's one more alternative, but which would be a triangle that's forming here. But the other possibility would be that here in this, that we are already in the wave 3, that wave 2 indeed finished here. So I have to move the wave 2 back over. The other possibility is that, wave 2 finished and we already had a wave 1. This is the wave 2, 3, 4, 5, to complete wave 3 in green. Possible. Looking at this could, so let's look at the retracement levels for this, in case this is the case. So we've retraced now to the 78.6% fib level. In this scenario, I would even allow it to go down to the 88.7, so 36.78. But if we see it drop below that, I think we're also going to break 36.50 and will then drop into this green target area. This is how I can currently see it. Unfortunately, weakness in the chart, unless it now starts to really rally, break above the 50-day moving average, break above $40, I think we're going to see here an extension of the wave 2. And this is currently how I see Solana. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership and make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for that in the video description and also at the beginning and the end of every video. There's additional content on Twitter and Instagram, and please make sure that you always use only those links, either in the video description or on the website, because only they lead you to the official social media channels. If you use anything else, and if you follow a fake profile, chances are they will scam you, they will send you messages. We would never send you proactively messages on Instagram or Twitter. Make sure you understand that, and also we don't use WhatsApp. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.